Hello, it's a Peugeot channel. Today we will change the engine oil on the Peugeot 308 T9 with a 1.6 HDI diesel engine. If it seems to you that it is enough to drain the old oil and replace the filter, then I will surprise you. For this procedure, you will need a pit or a lift. If you don't have engine protection, then theoretically everything can be done directly from the ground, but it won't be very convenient. So, we remove the engine protection. I have an unoriginal one, made of polyethylene, and as practice has shown for 2 winters, this is a good choice. Here's our oil pan. We will need a hexagon head for 21. We drain the old engine oil. After we have drained the oil, we need to tighten the plug back, but at the same time it is necessary to replace the copper washer. It is possible to use the same washer multiple times if you turn it over. Then I think 2 times it can be used safely. But considering that is quite inexpensive, I don't see a reason to save on it. We take the hexagon head by 10 and unscrew the air pipe. Theoretically, you cannot unscrew it, but it is removed extremely easily and we have good access to the oil filter, so I recommended removing it. Everything is done very easily. We twist the nozzle counterclockwise and pull it on ourselves. In order to unscrew the oil filter cover, we take the head on 27. The filter itself is removed together with the lid. The filter element is removed easily, just pull on yourself. Specifically in my case, the oil changed about 5000 kilometers ago. In the original, from the factory, it is the Mallet filter that is installed on the car, and I also decided to buy it. However, when comparing with that stud and what I bought, it is clear that the filters are different. Most likely I did not buy the original filter, be careful. We install a new filter, just press on it. Do not forget to replace the rubber band. Now you can install the filter back into the engine, and if you thought that the video can be turned off, wait a little longer, it will be interesting. First, insert the filter into place prevents us from the nozzle with the coolant, and then you need to either remove the filter element and install it separately, or snap off the clip, after which there will be enough space and we will be able to install the filter together with the lid. It remains only the pour oil into the engine. What kind of oil to pour? I will not advise you on something specific, namely the manufacturer. If all Euro 6 systems are working properly, then your engine oil tolerance is indicated on the screen. The viscosity is 0W30. Specifically on my car, the old owner removed all the ecology, and therefore I can pour another oil, but you need what the manufacturer recommends. How many liters to pour? You need to pour 3 liters and 800 grams. After changing the oil, be sure to start the engine and check that everything is working properly and there is no oil flowing anywhere. And of course something went wrong. I found an oil leak. Now I'll tell you what is the reason. It's all about this elastic band. In the new filter it is square, in the old one it is round. There is very important. At the same time, it does not matter which company the filter will be. It is important that the sealing jamb is round. Here is the number of the original filter from PCA. Is anything, there is a mallet in the box there, but with the right elastic band. And finally, you need to reset the oil change service interval. To do this, turn off the ignition and press this button and do not let go. Turn the key and wait until the numbers disappear. Congratulations, everything worked out for you. Like or dislike, subscribe to the channel, this is the Peugeot channel. Bye!